Tamge NALPARA Road SARUSAJAI the LEIBA INDIRA GANDHI Athletics Stadium GUWAHATI Second Northeast Para Sports Meet 2025 Ngashidagi Houdokkhre Ngashidagi Houduna Tangkun Mapan Fauba Pangtokadaba Second Northeast Para Sports Meet 2025 Houdokpagi Thoram Aduda Razib Day Organizing Secretary Northeast Para Sports Meet 2025 na welcome address Biduna Honorable Minister of Sports and Youth Welfare Nandita Gorlosa Riniki Vunyan Sarma Organizing President Second Northeast Para Sports Meet 2025 Ramesh Chandra Jain IAS Chairman Seva Ankur Varali Director of Sports and Youth Affairs Dr. R. Viswakumar Director Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Sikkim Amadi Jariu Hussain Chief Managing Editor News Life na Chief Guest President Amadi Guest of Honor Oina Sarugyaki Apunba Northeast ki para player Chatrat Rom na Sarugyari Adum Oinamak Manipur ki Oina Dr. Kiran Yendrambam Social Activist na Chief Demission Oiduna Amadi Manipur Para Olympic Association ki President Kangzam Virendra Singh Amadi GA Anjan Sarmagi Liching Makada Sanaroi Taramapan na Saruyagani Haina Toramba Adu Subnatagi Sanaroi Taret Amadi Official Mangana Saruyari Hauzik Manipur ki Oina National Highway Sing Chatpayabagi Kudong Jaba Laitaba Amadi Flight Ticket ki Mamal Wangbana Maram Oraga Amadi Sponsor Tobinaba Laitabana Maram Oraga Second Northeast Para Sports Meet Asi Manipur ki Sanaroi Singna Mapung Fana Sarugyaba Ngamdabani Haina Manipur Team ki Chief Demission Oina Sarugyariba Dr. Kiran Yendrabamna Fongdurakli Hauzik Aviation Ministry dagi flight ki ticket mamal asi autonomous body Oina Lairiba Airlines Singna Lepningba Mamalda Leptuna Manipur ki Oina Diyengsin Binaba Laitraba Amagum Laikibana Maram Orga ticket ki mamal Loning Mamong the Loba Asina player Kayagi Ningba Kaiba Amadi Ninghanaba Haibadu Ohele Haina Noitabasu Fongdurakli Lengak Laitaba Taragasu President's Rule Manung Asida Atubada Flight ticket ki mamal wangliba asi kumna yengsil haudaba taragadi tongan ba sports masana kayada mingsat purakliba amadi malem gi oina loinana India gi oina su achoba fida ama kannaba Iramda Manipur asi game and sports ta pura maning hankiduna sports half of India ni haina jaga kanduna lagliba asigi Fida asi fawa mangkiba yabagi akibasu leire haina mahakna makatarakli ngasi ahanba numita mamang sehigi defending champion Khwarakpam Joy Kumar Singh visual impaired na shot putta Manipur gi goal ama fangba haure adumakpu haukiba chahida player Taramathoina gold medal manga silver medal manga amadi bronze medal ani fangduna apunba medal masing taranithoi fangbangam handaki second Northeast Para Sports Meet 2025 asidasu mamang gumna apunba medal taradagi taranithoi fawa fangba yai haina thazabatham lei
be the best and those who are from Assam we are giving you the opportunity to use the Abhinav Bindra sports excellence where the rehabilitations are being done. It is in this stadium itself only. Many of you must be taking the opportunity also, and the opportunity is available for all. So when this opportunity has been given, it's because of the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, who had thought that sports is not about only playing. Most important is how it should have a disciplined way of rehab which is required in Assam. So also it's not only in